Hi kids! This is Ice playing with his construction vehicle toys. Okay Ice, can you show us your construction vehicles? How many construction vehicles do you have?
5.
Wow, that's some nice construction vehicles. Can you show us the first one? What's that? Excavator. Can you see it? I want to show it. Wow. Here kids, this is his excavator. See? Load the sand and gravel in the dump truck, right? Okay, how about the other one? The next construction vehicle. What's that? That's backhoe. Wow, that's a nice backhoe. Can I see it? I want to show it to the kids. Here kids, this is his backhoe. As you can see, it has two equipment. The other one in the back is a digger. Yes. How about this one? What's this?
That's for carrying rocks.
Carrying rocks. Okay. How about the other one? The next. Show us the next construction vehicle. That one in the middle. Okay. What's that?
Bulldozer.
A bulldozer. Wow, this is. It's like.
Rocks.
Oh, this will push rock.
So that car can pass.
I see. How about that one? A dump truck. Wow, this is a nice dump truck.
1, 2, 3.
You gonna
4, 5.
carry all the sand and gravels here? And then you're gonna dump it to the construction site, right? Okay. The next one, the last construction vehicle. This one is a wheel loader. Okay, this is a nice wheel loader. Oh, can I drive this one? Do you know how to drive it? Like that. Okay, it will carry rocks, sand, gravel also, right? Wow. Okay, now we're gonna play with it. How are we going to play with it? Can we build a tower? Let's pretend these are the sand, that one is the rocks and gravel. Now we're gonna carry it using our dump truck. Where's the construction site? Construction site, where is it?
Construction site is
Here? How about here? Near Bumblebee. There lang. Okay. So, you're gonna carry the sand and gravel using the dump truck. You're gonna load the sand and gravel using your excavator and backhoe and the wheel loader in the dump truck. Okay, start loading it now. Wow, you're starting to load it. So your bulldozer is pushing the sand and gravel into one place. Okay. Nice toy. See, do you like it, kids? Do you like his toys?
You say
Yes.
yes.
Yes, kids. Yes, Ice. We like your toy.
Like our video?
Yes. They're gonna like us. course. You start building your tower now? Yeah, a tower. Now, let's pretend the letters are the sand and gravel. Okay? Okay. Carrot, you have lots of toys. Can we give your toys to other kids? Can we? Let them borrow lang your toys.
Borrow?
Yeah, let them just borrow your toys.
Give me my toy stuff?
Yes, you're gonna play with them. Is it okay with you? Oh, that's nice. So you will have lots of friends.
Toy.
That toy. Okay, now let's continue playing with your construction vehicles. You have to finish your tower. So we can show them, we can show it to other kids. Okay, that's all kids. This is his construction vehicle.